Okay, so in this video we're gonna be working on a Dell Venue 8. This is a tablet that came in for no power. It doesn't power on at all. Customer wants the information inside. Right now I have a very good reason to believe that this is a charging port issue and nothing else. Screen looks good. I do not see any physical damage onto the screen or the corners. So I believe it's a charging port issue. Amps being drawn by this motherboard is 0 amps, so the battery is not being charged. Let's take a look at the charging port. I did not do the repair yet, I just applied Flux. Now this is the charging port. We're gonna go ahead and replace it. Like you have seen in many of my videos, I never use hot air to remove a charging port. Hot air can do more harm than good. We're gonna remove this charging port using low melt solder. So we're gonna saturate the joints with low melt solder. I'm gonna flip the board over and do the same thing to the legs of the connector. Since low melt solder melts at a low temperature while keeping my iron on one of the joints, that should heat the whole area of the connector, and maybe we can just release the connector by grabbing it with the tweezers and pulling down. Right here, it fell right off. The connector fell right off. I see people pointing the hot air at 470 degrees for like 3 minutes trying to remove the connector. What are you doing? You damage half of the board by doing that. That's it. NorthridgeFix? Hey buddy, how are you?
Hey, yeah, I couldn't make it by there today. I'm not at work still. I'm gonna have to come by maybe tomorrow morning or something. Would you?
And the job is done. Okay, and that's it. Let's go ahead and try it. Okay, so it was 6:20 yesterday. We closed at 6 and I didn't have time to finish the video. What I did is I connected the battery to the board and I let the battery charge overnight. What I want to do is test the tablet right now. Make sure everything is working. So here you go. I do not want to expose the customer's name, but the tablet is working now. Okay, so that's it. I'm glad we were able to turn on this tablet. It came in for data recovery, but now the customer can have both his data and the tablet. Everything is working on the tablet. So the problem was the charging port, as I suspected. I'm glad that it worked out, and we have a lot of other things to get done. Like this video if you liked it, subscribe if you haven't already done so. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and I'll see you in the next video.